Nunu, are you excited? Are you excited for Christmas? Let's see. Okay, go look and go see the present. Is that your present? Tell Dad. Tell Dad to get off the computer. Hi, girl. Merry Christmas, Noonie. Lucky, what's this?
Yeah, I love Christmas. I got it stuff.
Hey, girl, come on. Come and help us.
Thank you, Lord.
What'd you get, Luck?
What is this?
What's this?
What is this?
Luck, get your present. Get it. No. No. Lucky, what is it?
Ooh.
Dad, help her.
What is it?
What is that, Lucky?
Oh, I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Oh, before she actually bites into it. What is that? Whoa! Oh, poppycock! Crunchy poppycock! Oh, no.
She's got paper in her mouth.
Huh?
She's got paper in her mouth, or she
Yeah,
did.
about that from
She
Donna.
still does.
Get this stuff out of my way. I'm opening the present. What are you wearing
Good
down?
job.
You wearing down, baby?
Good job.
What is it? She got a panther. She got the panther. A new panther. Woohoo. She got a new.
I taped the tail up.
Okay.
She already squeaked it.
There's a new baby!
Yay!
We got a new baby!
Licking it.
You got a new one? Tails and everything. She liked that one. She said, I like it. You guys finally picked me out a good one. I'm happy. You got a smile on the face? Uh-huh. She got a big smile. She said, I've been waiting for this one.